Hey guys, welcome back to another brand new video. I hope you guys are all doing well. So in this video, I want to make a quick little video sitting down and talking to you guys, you know what I mean, about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency in general, right? Because we know, and I'm pretty sure, right? I'm pretty sure everyone that is watching this video right now can agree with me. Okay, 100% agree with me, right? We know that Bitcoin and crypto this year in 2022 has not been a great year at all. Okay, this has probably been the worst year ever for Bitcoin and crypto. Like literally, we know right now that Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, you know what I mean, we are in fact in the bear market. Obviously, everyone's just panicking, right? And you guys have to say something here. I've said this many times, right? The whole economy is not looking too good at all right now, okay? It's not just cryptocurrency that's crashing, that's dipping, that's tanking. It's obviously the stock market as well, right? So the whole economy, right, is not looking too good. What's causing the whole market to crash is obviously, a whole bunch of things, honestly, right? Like, you know, interest rates rising, inflation rising, you know what I mean? The Fed, right? Recession, you know what I mean? And of course, this is network called Celsius, right? That's absolutely just tanking and it's causing this crash as well in a way, you know what I mean? It really is, right? And of course, the war that's happening, you know what I mean? A lot of things right now for this year in 2022 that causes the market to crash. Because this year, guys, okay, like I said, we can all agree to this, right? This year has been a really bad year for Bitcoin and crypto, right? And it's causing, a lot of different things are in fact causing crashes in the market, right? We have seen plenty of crashes throughout this year, throughout in 2022, we have seen many crashes, in January, the first month of 2022, back in January, right? Earlier this year, we saw a crash. I believe it was on January 22nd or 23rd, right? We saw a crash, and then literally February rolled by, and then we saw another crash for February, and it was pretty much on the same date, but I believe it was February 24th, I believe, right, that we saw a pretty decent crash. And then from there on, guys, it just kept going down and down and down, right? We all know that ever since, last November, right, last year, November in 2021, Bitcoin was at, new all-time highs. Ethereum was looking absolutely amazing. The whole market was looking beautiful, right? It was looking absolutely amazing. That's when we were in fact in, the bull market. And ever since last November, we all know that we've been going down ever since then, right? We've been going back down to the bear market. And where we're in the bear market, guys, that's when everyone's obviously panicking for no reason, right? Everyone's just panic selling off their positions. This is what causes the market to dip, obviously, and crash, right? So obviously there's a lot of selling going on, right? Because everyone's just panic selling, okay, for no reason, like I said, right? And I'm telling you guys this right now, when we are in the bear market, this is obviously the time to make money with cryptocurrency. I'm telling you guys this right now, this is your biggest opportunity right now to make money, life-changing money, okay? That's for a fact. I'm not no financial advisor, but I know that's for a fact, because this bear market, guys, these crashes that has been happening for the past few weeks and few months this year has been different compared to the other bear markets that we've had, in the other years. You know what I mean? This bear market has been the worst in my opinion. It really has, right? So, if you really think about it, right, this bear market is completely different compared to the other ones, because you guys really got to think about it, right? Bitcoin at one stage, I'm going to talk about AUD prices here, right, for Bitcoin. So here in Australia, right, Bitcoin back in last November was at $92,000, over 90K, right? That was his price. Like for you guys in America, in USD currency, Bitcoin was at 69K, right? That was his highest peak. For us in Australia in AUD currency, it was at 92K, right? So Bitcoin was almost at 100K at one point, right? Here in Australia. And we are now, currently as I'm filming this video, Bitcoin is now at 29K, pretty much $30,000, right? So obviously it has dropped significantly. And at one point, right, a few weeks ago, Bitcoin reached a bottom of 25K. That was this bottom of $25,000 this year in 2022. And that price target, 25K, Bitcoin's all-time high, right, of reaching 25K was back in 2017. You know what I mean? So obviously Bitcoin this year has been dropping significantly in just a few months time period. You know what I mean? So I know for a fact a lot of people are, in fact down from their investments, okay? And I hope you guys didn't panic sell, because obviously if you panic sold when it's dipping and if you panic sold at a loss, you know what I mean, then obviously yes, you lost money. But if you're just down from your investments and you didn't panic sell, then yes, technically you didn't lose money because you didn't press that sell button at a loss. If you press that sell button, or if you press that sell button at a loss, then yes, you lost money. But if you're still holding on, like me, because I'm down from my investments right now, but I don't care. I'm still accumulating, I'm still buying at these dips. I really am. I'm taking advantage of these dips, right? You guys should too. Like, if you guys didn't press that sell button, then you didn't lose any money. You know what I mean? If you're still holding on, that's good. That's what you should be doing. You should be buying and accumulating right now while everyone else is fearful. The market right now for crypto, guys, is in extreme fear mode, okay? So while everyone else is fearful, this is the time for you to be greedy. This is the time for you to buy, to accumulate, to invest, okay? As much as you can, right? And then obviously, right, once we run back up to, the bull market and we break out of the bear market, that is obviously when you'll be up in profits. That's when you'll make money. You know what I mean? Life-changing money, hopefully, right? So I'm telling you guys this right now, this is not no financial advice or anything like this, right? But I really want you guys to take advantage of this crash, right? This market crash, right, in 2022 right now. I want you guys to take advantage, because this is literally your biggest opportunity right now to make life-changing money. This is your chance right now to make life-changing money that would, obviously change your life dramatically. You know what I mean? It could be millions of dollars. You could actually become a millionaire. This is your chance right now to become a millionaire. Like I said, I am not no financial advisor, right? Obviously, this is not no financial advice at all. You know what I mean? But I'm telling you guys the truth, right? This is literally your chance right now to make life-changing money. You guys have to understand something here. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins on the crypto market has been dropping significantly. If you look at the market right now, if you look at the charts, right, you can see Bitcoin is down real bad, and it's looking real ugly for Bitcoin right now. But if you look at altcoins, altcoins like Ethereum, XRP, BNB, right, Solana, Cardano, Avalanche, Polygon, Litecoin, right, and many more, right? If you look at all these other altcoins in the market, they're looking even uglier than Bitcoin. They have dropped significantly, right? So I'm telling you guys this right now, this is literally your chance right now to buy as much as you can and make the most money. Always have that long-term mindset when you're investing into cryptocurrency, because this market is obviously really volatile. Okay, there's obviously some volatility in this market, right? And it's a new market. Cryptocurrency has only been around for 13 years plus, right? So think about it. So I'm telling you guys this right now, okay? Obviously, this year has not been a great year so far, okay? We are still, it's only June right now. We are halfway through this year, okay? So obviously, we'll see where Bitcoin will be heading this year, in a few months' time, right? Because like I said, we're only halfway through the year. But, a lot of people think and say and are predicting and assuming that we will in fact be in the bear market for a couple years time, 2, 3, even 4 years time, right? That people say we're going to be in this bear market. And honestly, I don't mind that, okay? Because I will literally dollar cost average into Bitcoin. I'll keep consistently buying Bitcoin, you know what I mean? And of course, not just Bitcoin, Ethereum as well. You guys know, right? I see huge potential for ETH, right? I really do see huge potential for Ethereum, right? I've been investing into Ethereum a whole bunch, you know what I mean? I've literally been investing into Ethereum for the past few months, almost to a year now, right? I've been literally investing more into Ethereum than Bitcoin, believe it or not, right? I just see so much potential with ETH, especially right now, because Ethereum is currently at like $1,600 as I am filming this video right now, and obviously that's at such a juicy buy, you know what I mean? Like, it's actually crazy. Okay, so that being said, guys, I really do believe that yes, I agree with people, you know what I mean, that we will in fact be stuck in this bear market for the next 2, 3, maybe even 4 years. Who knows? You know what I mean? No one realistically knows. No, everyone's just making predictions at this point. You know what I mean? So who knows? But honestly, I want to, you know, be in the bear market for a while, so that way I can accumulate more. You know what I mean? And obviously, once we bounce back up to the bull market, that's obviously when we'll make money. So I'm telling you guys right now, you guys should be taking advantage of these dips that we're having right now. This is literally your biggest opportunity right now to make life-changing money with Bitcoin and of course cryptocurrency in general, right? You just have to really do your own research, what you really want to invest in. You know what I mean? Like I said, okay, what I always say, always think long-term with your investments, guys. It's just, you know, when I say this, guys, you know, I'm not saying anything bad about, you know, making short-term gains, or like if you want to day trade with Bitcoin or crypto in general, you know, because I know a lot of people out there that do day trade with Bitcoin, right, and other cryptocurrencies. You know what I mean? They actually trade, they make money with it short term. You know what I mean? There's nothing wrong with that. But I'm just trying to let you guys know that in my personal humble opinion, that I really do believe that long-term gains, that is where you'll be making the most money, more than short-term gains. That's just my own personal opinion. Because remember, guys, this market is really volatile, right? This is why I always tell you guys to DCA, right, into crypto, dollar cost average. You know what I mean? So that being said, guys, we're gonna see where Bitcoin will be heading this year in 2022. Like I said, we're only halfway through the year, so we're gonna see where Bitcoin is gonna be heading in the whole market, right, for crypto. But I'm telling you guys this right now. Okay, I've told you guys this many times. Another crash will happen. It's most likely gonna happen. You know what I mean? 90% chance another crash will happen. You know, the prices we are seeing for Bitcoin right now, it's not the bottom. You know what I mean? It's gonna go back down, guys. It's gonna go down, trust me, right? Just remember, we are still in the bear market. Obviously, the market right now is obviously in extreme fear mode. Everyone's just panicking, you know what I mean? So anything can happen, and it's not anything good, okay? So that being said, guys, I hope you guys are in fact accumulating, buying Bitcoin like myself, you know what I mean? I've been buying Bitcoin ever since it's been dipping. I'm not gonna lie, I haven't been buying much, because I am waiting patiently. I have money on the side, okay, that I've been saving, and I am waiting patiently for this next crash to happen. And once this crash happens, you best to know I'm gonna be buying a whole bunch of Ethereum, I'm gonna be buying a whole bunch of Bitcoin, and of course other altcoins in the market, right? But my main focus is of course Ethereum and Bitcoin. Like what I always say, these two cryptocurrencies are literally like my main two investments. That's it in crypto. It's Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's what my main focus is, especially Ethereum. Right, I've told you guys this many times. So that being said, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give this video a huge thumbs up, and of course subscribe to the channel if you guys have not yet already. I really would appreciate that, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace.